Hello, I am Humphrey Liang from grade 7 St. Camille. I will be making Christmas lantern for my school project for Math and Science Month. Watch me make this lantern from simple materials. Paper cups, double-sided tape, paper straws, colored paper, and this is the light I will be using for my lantern. And all you need is pencil, measuring tape, and scissors. Let's get started. First, I will remove the rim of the cup. Then measure the top circumference. It's 22.6 centimeters. When you divide 22.6 by 15, it will be 1.5 centimeters. Then put the double-sided tape around the base along the circle. Cut straight lines for each marking. Stop at the tape. Frequently check at the straightness of the cuts. Trim each strips at 3 mm on both sides. Cut with an angle to the middle. Peel off the tape cover. Use a cylindrical pencil to curl each strip. Attach the end firmly on the tape as shown. This is the flower piece I made. It's cut color sheet to give colorful design. I'll glue on the cutout on the center of flower. I need 12 pieces of the flower to make the lantern. I shall put them together and let's see how it will turn out. I'm using double-sided tape to put the flowers together. It's almost done. All I need to put the miniature light on the very bottom piece. Light check. Good. After I install the last piece, it's done. There you go. This is my Christmas lantern. Merry Christmas! I forgot to put tassel on the lantern. This is how I did it and completed my work.